This is the last mole concept review problem. We're going to do gram to gram and percent yield for this question. This is on the bottom of 145. Might have to use some sticky notes here. It says grams to grams and percent yield. What is the percent yield of chlorine if I have 64.0 grams of gold chloride is decomposed and the actual yield of chlorine is 19.6? Right, so my percent yield is actual or experimental divided by theoretical times 100%. I probably should have written that neater. Here, let's try that again. Percent yield is equal to actual divided by theoretical times 100%. They're telling me that the actual yield is this. So I have 19.6 grams of chlorine. So this is not chlorine. That is not chlorine. So Cl2 is chlorine. Okay? What I need is this theoretical yield. And if I read this again, it doesn't appear I have one. What is the percent yield of chlorine if 64 grams of gold chloride is decomposed? So I do not have the theoretical yield. If you look in your notes, it says that sometimes you have to calculate the theoretical yield using gram to gram stoichiometry. So we're going to come back to this. I might need that space. This is a two-step problem. One, gram to gram. So I need to do grams of A into grams of B. And then my grams of B is going to be my theoretical yield. Right? So I need my theoretical yield. I'm going to have to do a three-step stoichiometry problem to get there. Alright, so first things first, I got to balance this because I need to do gram to gram. So I have 1 and I have 3, and over here I have 1 and I have 2. I'm going to drop a 2 in here to get my odds to be even. That becomes a 3, and I drop in a 2 here. I got 2 to 6 and I'm done. I need my known, which is 64.0 grams of gold chloride. So this has got to be gold chloride, AuCl3. And my unknown, since my actual yield is listed for chlorine, that means I need to get the grams of chlorine. I need the theoretical yield of it. Right? So now I need my conversion factors, and I need three things. One, I need the molar mass of the known. So AuCl3, AuCl, 1, 3, I think this is 196 something. Where's my work? 196,969. And this is 3545, 7090. Not have enough space here. This is that number, I'm sorry. And I got 303. 317 grams over 1 mole. Okay, try to do this neat. I might need 2 pieces of paper. That's the first thing. 2. I used to have a highlighter. Oh, I do. Right. 2. I need the molar ratio. So it's number mole A over number mole B. So it's mole to mole. The A is my known, AuCl3. The B is my unknown. These numbers come from the balanced equation. So 2, 3. Alright, and I just found my molar ratio, right? Because I gotta go grams of A into moles of A into moles of B and into grams of B. Right, that's what I gotta do. And this right here is the molar mass of A, molar ratio, molar mass of B. So the third thing, I need the molar mass of Cl2. So Cl2 times 3545 is equal to 7090, and that's grams over 1 mole. Okay, so these are my things that I need. I just gotta find another piece of paper. Right. Alright, so these are things that I need. So now I'm going to do the 3-step Stoich. And I'm going to take my known and I'll multiply it times conversion factors. And I'm going to get my unknown. So this is plural this time. So my known is right here, 64.0 grams of AuCl3. 64.0 grams of AuCl3 over 1 times my first conversion factor. Here is my first conversion factor. It's my molar mass of my AuCl3. I have 303.317 grams in 1 mole. Because there's a G here, I'm going to put the gram value on the bottom. Grams, AuCl3. 1 mole of AuCl3. Those cancel. I am in mole of AuCl3. So I'm going to take a look at my second conversion factor right here. My second one is the molar ratio. I got 2 moles of AuCl3 over 3 moles of Cl2. This is what is the same as here. I have AuCl3. So I'm going to put the AuCl3 on bottom and the 3 moles of Cl2 on top. I'm going to cancel and cancel. I never write small enough, sorry. But this is the last one. So look, I got mole Cl2 on top. And here's the last conversion factor, right? So mole here is on bottom. And 7090 grams. I have mole, so I'm going to put mole on bottom so I can cancel them. I can have 3 significant figures. So I got, right, 1, 2, 3. What did I get? I got 22.4 grams of Cl2. This is my theoretical yield. Remember that? That's what we were going for. Right? So my percent yield, which I'm after, is actual divided by theoretical. 22.4 grams Cl2. All that cancels, and it's times 100%. So on clear, 19.6 divided by 22.4 times 100. I can have 3 sig figs, so 87.5% yield. Right? Okay, so if you're looking for percent yield, if they give you theoretical, you're golden. But if they don't, you have to do gram to gram stoichiometry in order to get your theoretical yield. Whatever your unknown is going to be the value for your theoretical yield. That was my theoretical yield. I plugged it in times 100, and there we go.